Arrive in style with this 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear-wheel drive, power steering, steel wheels, automatic headlights, MP3 player, satellite radio, split bench seat, vinyl seats, adjustable steering wheel and steering wheel audio controls. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.